All right, hi everybody. Welcome to my channel, and I am deciding to go through some videos from the Idaho 4 case here just to see if I see anything new, especially with all the evidence being out here. And I just feel like there's so much more to the story. So here is the body cam footage around 3 something in the morning. Now I'm going to play this in full speed. And there is a cop in the front seat, and I believe I could see somebody in the back seat. But let's just go ahead and play this. Okay, that's the first time all the way through here at regular speed. Now I'm just going to scrub through it. And as you can see, I made a mask here. And on this mask, I just made it lighter, took away some shadows, see what we can see. Now right here is the cop, right? So any faces that we see are going to look blurred like this, especially if a video was edited. So their faces are going to look a little blurred. The cop in the front seat has on a baseball cap, and I'm just going to keep scrubbing through it so you all can just look at it for yourselves with a straight scrub through. Okay, now let me give you my take on it here. So again, this is as one cop is walking back over here with the 3 young men. There is a cop in the front here. Now notice how we could kind of see the trees in the back here because the windows aren't tinted. Here in the back, we can't see anything. It's super dark. We could kind of see some red right here in the back. But let's just keep going. It's super dark, and as you can see, we see maybe a head pop up right here. And again, we can kind of see through the back of the window now. And as you can see, a head does pop up right here. Some type of head. And I think Kaylee is like sitting on Maddie's lap, and Kaylee's head is like back against the door. And as you can see, again, you can see a faint face here. Again, this is the cop, so his face even looks faint, and his hat is right here. Boom, you could kind of see her eyes and stuff. And you could kind of see maybe there's someone right here, like she's laying on top of Maddie. Boom, you can still see her face here, and Maddie will be right here. Again, we can kind of see the trees right here, right? We can see the trees over here. It's green. These trees are red, and we can kind of see through the window here, but then these figures are right here, and we can't quite see through the window, but we can see through the back window a little bit. We all know how the trim is in a car. So I'm just thinking, what is this right here? It looks like faint faces. Again, if this video was edited, and I understand editing skills, they probably blurred it out first and tried their best to go in here and do something. As you can see, Kaylee's face is still right here. Can't really see Maddie anymore. But again, Kaylee is like laying on Maddie, and Kaylee's head is against the door trim. Kind of slightly on the window, maybe. And again, boom, she kind of disappears there, but it's just so black. Again, we could kind of see through this front window. We can't see anything through this back window. Like they just blacked it out. And then again, let's look at this back window again. You can't see anything through here. And this looks like a head right here. Still a head, a head, a head here. And then boom, we start to see the back of the tree here, right? That's what the back of the tree would look like there. But no, it's blocked by something, right? Tree, blocked. Blocked by somebody's head here. Okay, so let's go through it from the top, right? It's dark. It's dark. It's dark in that back seat. You could kind of see the cop in the front. Still kind of dark. Boom. Shadowy figures appear. And look, you could kind of see through the window here, but right here, you just can't see through the window. That just looks like Maddie. Boom. More figures pop up. Look. Another face. Figures, figures, figures in the back. Let me make this fit to the screen, actually. And let's take it back again. And let's just continue to scrub through this. Okay, again, you can kind of see the bush right here. You can see right here through it. You can't see through this back part of the window. Boom, a figure appears. Again, you have to compare these faces to the cop car in the front because that's the only other reference point we have that there might be a person there. If this person looks blurred in the front seat, I mean, of course their faces are going to look blurred in the back seat. Again, figures popping up here. Boom. You don't see it, now you see it. Don't see it, now you see it. And just watch these figures in the back here. Did she turn her head? There's definitely some movement going on back there. And you could kind of see the red bushes right above her here. And look, it looks like somebody might be looking at us right here. Again, here's the cop car here, or here's the cop right here. Here's his hat. Faint figures here. And again, this is all the way slowed down, scrubbing through it with the mask on it to brighten it up here. Now, you all let me know what you see. And then boom, they disappear. They make it blacker. It will be really hard to see at fast speed, so that's why I'm just scrubbing through it here on Premiere Pro. Again, you could kind of just see her in the back here. Boom, tree. When anybody is going through these professionally, trying to edit these, this is going to be hard to edit out. I mean, it just looks like they made it darker maybe, but I try to make it as light and crisp as possible. I mean, come on, guys. Boom, head, head. Head, that's somebody's face right there. Somebody's face right there. And then that's Maddie, right? This is Maddie. Maddie. Kaylee. Kaylee. Kaylee, that's Kaylee right there. And boom, Maddie. Maddie. Kaylee. I mean, their heads are pretty close together. I mean, if Kaylee's sitting on Maddie's lap here. Boom, Maddie. Disappears. But again, the shadows are still there. Maybe they just blacked it out. The editor, maybe. So you can see how close they are together right there. Kaylee's right here. It even looks like she's turning her head. Maddie. Kaylee. And Maddie right there. Again, I'm just doing this because people deserve justice, as we all will want justice to be served. I know this video is kind of old, but with everything that's going on, the case is finally closed. I feel like it's about time we really go through this, because we know what the law is going to do for us. So I'm just scrubbing through the main parts here that I see. And again, you all be the judge. I'm just a person who likes to go through videos. And that's it. Let me know if you all want me to go through more videos, more content. Drop a comment, subscribe.